I never one day company to come play like me perfect. Now because I'm not getting an everyday cascas and mix up and bagger, that means I'm perfect. I just choose not to be a part of that life. You understand? But any given day, anybody message me the wrong way, I'm if answer, trust and believe I'm gonna answer. You understand? Me never tell nobody come here and tell nobody I'm no born again Christian, I'm no curse, I'm no whatever the case may be. Now because I'm no come on social media and come spread out my life or whatever. And sometimes I have to chill, I have to let people be. Yeah, I'm the one who always come on here, so I might tell Dana and Chris the most. They say, no pay people no mind or whatever. We're the one who mostly come and tell them, so don't do it. But guess what? Same way, we are human and things happen. I don't want nobody hold me to nothing. Company me tell them, say, me no blogger, me no influence, me don't even know, me just Miss Lothian. That's it. You understand? That's it. And not because if them account line and me say, yo, Lego that, you know, that don't mean say them can do the same thing too. Me no want to come and call my phone and go, oh yeah, the one always I tell auntie and tell Chris that, but here are a comment on people page. Allow me alone. You understand? They do the same too. If me have total line, they come and they will come and say, yo, Lego that. Because we are our brothers and sisters keeper. That's what we do. None of we no perfect fire. None of we no perfect. And me never tell them I'm perfect, and I don't want to be perfect either. You understand? We don't always see the reaction, but we never see what caused the reaction. We don't always see the reaction, but we don't see what caused the reaction. Everything, oh, she start get hype. It's like, oh, me responding to something somebody said disrespectful make me hype. Eh? Oh, that make me hype. Or me she used to be so humble and whatever. Like, I don't make it make sense. I don't even listen to yourself before I say certain things. And anything come on your mind and just talk it. You understand? Because you just live to see people go down and I don't feel like you can bring down people. No, can. No, not on social media don't have that power. You understand? Over my life. I don't know about nobody else, nobody, because I'm the type of person, come by my life, and if one somebody there and me want to vibe with them, I'm going to do it. And if it's 200 I'd like what they are, so I still do it. That's me. I'm not run down fame, I'm not run down popularity, I'm not run down social media love. You understand? So my son love me. Daughter love me. Granddaughter love me. Mother love me. Father love me. 6 brothers love me. Aunts, uncle, man, everybody love me. There are people like Unoya will love me. Me not London loving a social media. Who love me, love me. Who don't want to love me, that's their problem. You understand? Only let people be. That's all I'm saying. Let people be. We're all human. Let us be. When I say it no sound bad sometimes when we behave a certain way, but sometimes the provocation not easy. The provocation not easy. Them just get up and text it on your social media for no reason. What somebody can put in another comment here where I ever come on social media and do nobody. You understand? For them even want to freak themselves with me. But then like somebody come and say, yo, you do this or you do that. Other than me being friends with Dana. You understand? Tell me something else. I would love for them to come and say, oh, you do this and you do this. Me no participate in nobody, I cuss nobody. Me no tell nobody, say, nobody can come out and come put out a screenshot of me sending anything to them and tell them for fast with nobody. How much things me know? This big titty girl I was saying right here, so how much things I mean know? Wherever me, it's still like most of them in a social media, then I send it out, okay, blogger, and social media turn up every day. You know, things we know about how many people, because people always, for whatever reason, trust me to send certain things in my phone. I just love it. Because my goal is not to bring down anybody or to put down nobody. My goal is to see everybody win. You understand? And come together. Some of them, if I did them ever know them thing, then they run and take it and care, go give everybody and give blog off to get up and ride people. You understand? You know what things me know about people, what things people reach out to me. Sometimes I have to say, I don't send nothing on my phone and hear my company, I don't send nothing about nobody on my phone, I don't want nobody business, because I guess I now put $1 in my pocket. And the idea that's what it's about for me. Now put $1, me come up on social media, come chat things and say things about people. It's not helping me. It's not helping me to grow as a person, as a businesswoman, as a brand. No. It not help, it not do nothing for me. So therefore, I not see do nothing for them. For years, I see people up on social media class and a tear down and a this and a. I don't see it better them and I try bad lamb for people. I don't see it do nothing for them. So why if you go take about the job then? Then probably get a little extra views and get probably little stars or I don't know if or Facebook page. You understand? They probably get little of that. Right through Melita, what's up baby? You understand? But it still not do not do nothing for them. Nothing. All they do make it see us all them bitter, evil, bad mind, tormented and can't see. That's all it does. It does nothing. So therefore me not sit and do nothing for them. So me not gonna take up that job. Thank you, Tamaya. Yeah, I'm feeling better, sweetie. I'm not gonna hey Kazir, why you waste my apple?
What do you mean?
Oh. The apple is sweet. No, eat and leave that on my table, you know? Exactly, them come and they say the worst thing about you. Fast with people when I'm fast with them. Me and that world, me not busy with nobody on social media. I don't care about nobody on social media. Me used to come on social media and say, I'm not done the war and then and not even that me no business with. Me no business with them. I could ever cut them and then I eat them alive. I don't care. As long as they stay away from you with that. Anyway, guys, you see the people them what I think of Jamaica. I mean, crime and violence go on to Jamaica every day. But one time them shoot 17 some people. One time 17 baby, rat, goat, family, mother, father, brother. Me don't know a war going to Jamaica now. Jesus save them. See 17 people one time. Them shoot. Thank you, Luciana. Thank you, Jordan. One time them go to a community and just shoot up like what could have triggered something like this, you know? And the funniest thing, like we get up every day and blame the government and say politician and do this one. But what we as a whole, as a people doing, you understand? What we as a people doing when it comes to things like that. What we as parents doing in our home. You know? That make our kids them grow up and be so volatile and evil against each other. Because end of the day, that's where it starts from. It starts from the home. It starts from the home. We can't expect the Prime Minister or any leader. It's not Jamaica. Any leader to get up and put them in a prison. Then lock them up, then put them in a prison. And we see one have to work out yes and feed them. Pay taxes and them live, get 3 meals a day. Them go get 3 meals per day, them probably go work in a gym or whatever and come back out same way. No family rehabilitation, what's the word? No man, something have to be done. Something have to be done about it. Okay, well, Perling, because you're somebody say good morning. You know which part they live. No man, 17 people one time when you just get up and just say, "Oh, no business with baby did it." First time at Jamaica, you not even hear man a kill woman. Last time, yes, them shoot to a woman and her daughter in her face. One time, a mother and a daughter. I don't know when in the water, when in the atmosphere with this generation, but no, sir. Yeah, man, and the woman they were there behind it. Cause 90% most of the crime, well, for woman they behind it. They say woman dangerous. 90% of them crime, the woman they behind it. Females are behind it. Female are be look out and instigate. You see, female, we are one of the dangerous species. Female they behind it. Whole for crime and violence, female is behind it. Mother know what pitney do and I hide it and I uphold and mama. When I worst thing you can be is uphold and mama to your pitney and then went there. Because sooner or later, you know, what you think is going to happen? Your son go there go kill somebody. You think say sooner or later them not going to come reprisal for your family? Whether you some them can't get them son sometimes they come up for you as a mother. You understand? We have to put on our foot against our kids, man, and stop support them. Generation of vipers, yeah. Yeah, I saw the video with the lady I cry. I'm like, we have to learn to stand up to our kids. Sometimes when them grown, we know, so we can't talk to them, you know, especially sometimes we grow them good. Sometimes they grow very, very good, grow in a good house, you know, and follow friend and company. Them don't want to live no life. You know, see your life nice. You don't want to live no life and, you know. Because me tell you, you know, when you go to Jamaica, you know, the nice part, you know, crime and violence are going. They're nice in a be a life people live. How is it you're going to get up in a same community where you are, them probably go school together, you know. Then go basic school together, primary school together, and then you turn rival. You know, go school, be hungry together, play a little football together and cricket together, and still set up a kill on the same little neighborhood. Poor people. Which rich neighborhood you see them and get up and shoot 17 people. I can bet you look at be a zinc fence. If you should get a picture in another community, be a zinc fence. Poor people are kill off poor people. Poor people are kill off poor people every day. You don't know upper class about you know hardly see them something there. Poor people have to go find money now for bury how much family may so want somebody have 3 family members and not it dead. Come on, poor people. Why are we doing this to each other? Hi Laurel. Let me owe you call. Me know you're supposed to have done me. You know, see that one and a rich uptown neighborhood is only in the poor, volatile community. Them you see things like this. 17 people one time shoot up. Little kids them in that community then can ever come out and play like a football or play like a cricket or nothing. Because I heard it was domino game and them just shoot it up, so. Huh? Everybody would get it now, everybody get it now, everybody bad. We get it, everybody bad, everybody have God. But use a gun to protect yourself, not get up and inflict wound upon our brother, our sister, our own neighborhood, where we grew up in a same local community on a grandmother and grandfather and 4 parents. 90% of the time, when you see things like this happen, them live on opposite road. One live on this side and one live on that side. Go to the same school, same teacher, same Sunday school. I only think say there's only 2 ways out in that prison. Go play cockfight with man or not go dead. You know I live in a life as when you reach 22, 23, you're not dead like dog. If I know a friend kill you, not police kill you. You know I live in a life. Go find some girl and have fun. You know I live in a life. Go find girl and do some things with, you know, and have fun, live like a life. You don't want to pass 30 I live this on the parents' age. You know, say, look at you, them by them 23, 24, them dead like dogs. If I know them friend kill them, because 90% of the time of them want a friend kill them up. Because them and them friend fall out. Only if you do better, man. Yeah, me know crime and violence. I know some of the ignorant people as I talk about crime and violence everywhere. Me I talk about Jamaica, my country, that me I talk about. Me know nobody come tell me about crime and violence. They're everywhere. Me I talk about food with Jamaica. And me know say years it a go on. Years people a kill people, but a full time now we stop near one another. Full time now we stop drink each other blood. Jamaica is such a beautiful country. Me know nobody. And the other day I went to Jamaica. And you know me dey on social media, so God over my head. I be eyed, my eye didn't be just it's like me not feel comfortable for me. I go half a tree. Ask my daughter, me I feel me no want nobody even see me. Cause I'm afraid nobody gonna see me and say, oh, you understand this Lothian this or whatever. It is sad. And the worst thing about it is only in a we not see nobody up Narbrook or Beverly Hills that shoot up 17 people one time. There's nobody up at Narbrook or Beverly Hills and them top class community there I shoot. No. It's always this poor people and poor not fight for. What is it that you're not fighting for? Zinc fence? Zinc fence? And I grew up, man. Life is sweet. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Everybody knows that Jamaica is a place that man can defend them thing and man. Everybody know that. You don't have to prove it. Everybody knows someone shoot a one boy or shoot a one girl if them have to get. Everybody you don't have to prove it. You don't have to prove it. People get it. People know it's not dangerous, bad, sick, head no good. Everybody knows that gunman full up at Jamaica. People get it now. People know that Jamaica can defend themselves. People get it now. You don't have to prove. Oh no, the man over there, man, they're wicked, the man in a ramping, the man that's good and just blew up the whole of them. So I don't feel good. You puff up and look at Margaret chest. Eh? You puff up and look at one Margaret chest to show so no bad can kill off people. And cause mothers to be mourning. I heard that a 9-year-old boy, little boy, died also. Women got shot. So there's no respect of people. Whether all wheelchair kids, there's never care and so they're gonna frig up the place and just gonna fuck it up. We have to do better. And the people that with that big foreign I support them something there at Jamaica, because 90% of the time of people in America and different countries I send them something like Jamaica to support them, yeah. 90% of the time. Or then I send kick no back to school treat for youth them. Or then I try build up my football in a community. Let's come a foreign and I just say I could build up a local community center for the youth them. But when I send bag of gun and gunshot go down, they go create havoc in a people life. When I come America, come work or wherever else you know there, we support it. A lot of people overseas where see come up and chat and support the foolishness of Jamaica. Send it down, go support it. And then I say I can build up a local community center or a local, something for the youth. Them go send one that device. I make ship down some football, give them, make them play football on Sunday and some games and something. A beer gun and gunshot in the send. That's our contribution back to the country, and that is the truth. That is the truth. Wanna do better, cause Because sooner or later, it will knock on the door, or it will knock on the family door. You understand? It will knock, when even a knock on the door, it will knock on the family door, because the world, what goes around comes around. Same way, what goes around comes around. Sooner or later, uno belly aga bantu, uno aga cry to. If you don't have a heart, because someone don't really give a shit about family or nothing. Someone who don't care about nothing. Sooner or later, trust me. Anyway, guys, what else we want to chat about today? Hey boy, you tell you no waste food, you eat the apple and left it just suffer. True, man. Man, I tell you, it just heart wrenching, you know? Heart wrenching. When you see, you know, you have to say crime and violence go on every day at Jamaica. But you see them, you just go in our community and say, it's like them just say, watch out, me I kill off a whole of them there. So if I the 30 or 40 people that didn't get shot too. You know, it's not going to stop. But we have to play our part, you know? No crime and violence not going to stop. Them something there from generation, from cable and EM. From generation, but we still have to play our part, and you know, maybe we might change one person's mind, you understand? We still have to play our part by still encourage them and try to talk to the youth and tell them that there's a better way out, you know? And the better way out is life. Life is beautiful. But no say not gonna just change overnight like that. But life is beautiful and there's more to life than